Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the dimensions and system of units. These are the contents, dimensions, what is CGS system, what is MKS system, then rationalized MKS system, and what are the other system of units. First, we will see the dimensions. We have already studied different fundamental and derived units of quantities and scientific notations. In this video, the quality of a quantity called dimension that distinguishes it from the other quantities. The dimensions are expressed in characteristic notations such as m for mass, L for length, and T for time. So here for mass dimension is m, which is written in the square brackets. Similarly for length dimension is L written in the square bracket, and T is for time, which is written in square bracket. So these are the dimensions for the that quantities. The table represents physical quantities, quantity symbol, units, and their unit symbol, as well as the dimensions. The quantities are categorized into fundamental, supplementary, and derived units. So here you can see quantity, symbol, units, unit symbol, and dimension. After that, here the categories fundamental units and supplementary units. We will see later the derived units. A derived unit is always represented by a complete algebraic formula known as the dimension. For example, okay, first here we will see this one. These are the fundamentals quantity. In that mass, length, time, so on. The symbols given for mass is m, for length L, T is for time. For that units is mentioned. For mass, if we consider kilogram, unit symbol is kg, means symbol is for written for this unit, it is kg. And dimension for this mass is, as we have discussed in previous slide, that is capital M, which is written in square bracket. So these are the dimensions for this type of quantities. If we consider second type, that is supplementary units, here solid angle is the solid angle. For that symbol is omega. The unit is steradian. The unit symbol is SR, and the dimension is in square bracket L square and bracket raised to 0. This is the dimension for this solid angle. So you can see different fundamental units and supplementary units on this section. Next section is about dimensions for derived units. So if we consider here number of derived units are there. Next column is of their symbol, again its unit, unit symbol, and at the end the dimension. Okay, so first we will see the one unit, that is area. The symbol of area is capital A. Then its unit is square meter. Okay, or we can write as a meter square. This is unit symbol, here it is given. And the dimension of this area is L square in square bracket. So here we already mentioned a derived unit is always represented by a complete algebraic formula known as dimension. For example, the volume of a cuboid is measured in terms of quantities like length, breadth and height. All are having same unit as meter, and dimension is in square bracket L. Okay. Therefore, the unit of volume is meter cube. The volume of the unit of volume is meter cube, and its dimension we can see here. For volume, the symbol is V and its unit is cubic meter, and symbol for that unit is meter cube. Okay. And here in this dimension section it is given as dimension of volume is length, breadth and height. These are the quantities which are having same dimension. This 3 times L is written because the dimension of this one, the dimension of length, dimension of breadth and dimension of height. So it becomes as L cube in square bracket. So this is the dimension of the volume. Note that the square bracket denotes the dimension notation only. Here also that same thing is given. This one, V equals to dimension of length, breadth and height. Sorry, length, breadth and height. So we can write as a L cube in square bracket. This is the dimension of volume. Here that next thing is mentioned, square bracket denotes the dimensional notation only. Next is system of units. Scientists of French Academy of Sciences laid down certain principles to follow a single system of weights and measures as per the French government directive in 1790. The first principle stated that the universal system of weights and measures should be based on permanent measures of nature instead of man-made reference standards. Okay. According to this principle, any physical quantity can be expressed by three fundamental units, that is length, mass and time. The unit of length is chosen as meter, which is defined in terms of 10 millionth part of distance from equator to pole along the meridian passing through Paris. The unit of mass is chosen as gram, which is defined as the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of distilled water at 4 degrees Celsius and normal atmospheric pressure at 760 mm mercury. The unit of time remains the same as the traditional seconds. The second principle states that all other units should be derived from fundamental units, and fundamental units are length, mass and time. The third and last principle proposes that the submultiples and multiples of basic units can be expressed in decimal system. Also, the system of prefixes was devised by this principle. By 1875, many countries accepted the proposal of French Academy, thus metric system of units became a legal system. In the meantime, British Association for the Advancement of Science introduced the CGS absolute system of units. CGS absolute system of units. Here, what is CGS? That CGS means centimeter gram second, in which centimeter and gram were the fundamental units of length and mass, and which was used by the all over world. To overcome the complications of CGS system, a later new system was introduced, which is known as MKS system of units. So here first we will discuss about CGS system. The systems using centimeter, gram and second as the fundamental mechanical units for the purpose of science and engineering for many years are called as a CGS absolute system. They are named as absolute system as all the physical quantities could be expressed in terms of the three fundamental units. The CGS system was categorized as electromagnetic units system or EMU and electrostatic unit system or ESU. Next is EMU. What is EMU? That is electromagnetic units system. In this system, units of four physical quantities are involved, such as permeability of the medium, that is mu, and the unit of length, mass and time. These are the four quantities. The permeability of free space, that is permeability of free space, is given as mu 0, which is taken as unity, that is 1. We may define unit magnetic pole as the pole exerting unit force on a similar pole located at 1 centimeter distance. Second thing is electrostatic unit system. Similar to electromagnetic unit system, in this system also the units of four physical quantities are involved, such as permittivity of the medium, that is denoted by epsilon, and the units of length, mass, and time. The permittivity of free space, that is epsilon 0, is taken as unity, that is 1. We may define the unit of electrical charge as a charge exerting unit force on a similar charge located at 1 centimeter distance. Among the CGS unit system, electromagnetic unit system is more convenient. Electromagnetic unit system is more convenient to use than electrostatic unit system. Sorry, here ESU should be there. Okay, so EMU is more convenient to use instead of ESU, that is electrostatic unit system, in terms of electrical measurements. In general, if a quantity is expressed in CGS system without any additional designation of electrostatic or electromagnetic, then electromagnetic unit system is preferred. Next is practical units. A system of practical units was used because many CGS units were too small or too large for practical engineering applications. These units are derived from absolute units or by referring to arbitrary standards, as they are easy to manage and handle. The electromagnetic units can be made into smaller or larger practical units through an appropriate power of 10, so they can be used conveniently in experimental work. The practical unit of resistance, that is ohm, is taken as 10 raised to 9 CGS electromagnetic units, that is electromagnetic units, by the British Association Committee on Electrical Units. Also, the practical unit of potential difference, that is volt, is taken as 10 raised to 8 CGS electromagnetic units. On fixing these two magnitudes, the practical units for other quantities can be also fixed. For example, the practical unit of current, that is ampere, would be expressed as volt per ohm. For voltage, we have seen that 10 raised to EMU, and for resistance it is 10 raised to 9 EMU. So at the end we will get 10 raised to minus 1 EMU of current. Next is MKS units. In the theoretical CGS system, there occurred a problem when in some equations a factor of 4 pi was inappropriately present. Due to this, both EMU and ESU CGS systems were regarded as irrational. This led to the need of new system, that is the MKS system, which was introduced by Professor Georgi in 1901, 91st. The three fundamental mechanical units in this system were taken to be meter, kilogram, and second. Along with these three fundamental quantities, One more quantity was used to connect electrical and mechanical quantities, and that is the permeability of free space. Permeability of free space taken as mu0 equals to 10 raised to minus 7, and permeability of any medium can be expressed as mu equals to mu0 into mu r, where mu0 is unity, mu0 is unity in CGS system, and mu r is relative permeability. Therefore, MKS unit of permeability is 10 raised to 7 into CGS unit of permeability. This is the about MKS system. Next is rationalized MKS system. The MKS system was rationalized in which a factor of 4 pi was relocated by redefining certain units, assuming the value of permeability of free space as mu0 equals to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, and permittivity of free space as epsilon 0 equals to 1 upon 36 pi into 10 raised to minus 9. This is the permittivity of free space. This rationalized system uses 4 fundamental units, namely meter, kilogram and second, same as MKS system, and fourth is ampere. Fourth quantity is ampere. The International Electrotechnical Commission, the International Electrotechnical Commission recommended the use of ampere as a fourth fundamental quantity. The last point is other system of units. The traditional English language system of measurements, that is American and imperial systems, uses the fundamental mechanical units for length, mass and time as foot, pound mass and seconds respectively. 1/12 of the foot is defined as 1/12 of foot is defined as inch, and the value of 1 inch is 25.4 mm exactly. Similarly, the value of pound is fixed to be exactly 0.45359237 kilogram. With the help of these two units, all units in English system can be converted into SI units. Using the above mentioned fundamental units, derived units are obtained. The unit of work is expressed as foot pound. Okay, this is all about the dimensions, CGS system, MKS system, practical units, rationalized MKS system, and the other system of the units. Thank you for watching the video.